No. Nah, accept that day.
So the Jamaican government decided to take 10,000 immigrants who are not Jamaicans from America. What do you feel about that?
No, I don't feel good about that because they're not upsetting us over for them country. So we're not going to upset them here at our country,
So you feel
which is
like
not right. Which is not right.
America take Jamaica for a dumping yard when it comes to unwanted immigrants.
Yes, I do. Yes.
Where you that tell the Prime Minister?
I tell the Prime Minister, so we don't want them here. We don't want them here. Make them stay within them. So we don't want them here. Because we can't manage them. We can't take them. We can't manage them.
Alright, suppose the agreement is that them a get some money in return for take the immigrants them. You would accept that?
No. Nah, accept that day. No matter what. If they might give me money, me not upset him. No. We don't want them. We don't want them here.
So you don't feel like say yo the government should have come to the Jamaican people them and get the opinion on it before you agree to something like that.
Yes. We should do. I know that. We should Jamaican government should come here and come talk to the people of Jamaica, which is right. Yeah.
So you feel like say the government are gonna do proper screening of them people. Like, remember say you know some of them can be all a criminal with all some criminal records, you know. And if you know say them are gonna just left them out and let them go in a society. So how you feel about that?
Not feel good about that day. Cause it a got terrible power we.
Yeah.
It a got terrible power, it a got bad power. So we not upset them.
You feel like we don't struggle for surviving at today's economy much less for add some other people to it.
Yes, right now we are struggling. Right now we are struggling. Right now we are struggling. We can't manage it.
Yeah.
We can't manage it no more. So better than stay in them country. No come in our country. Come mash up the country.
Alright, thank you. Yeah.
Yes, I probably said there.
How you feel about the deported them we are gonna come here we are not Jamaicans?
Well, to be honest, we don't need them here. They have to stay in country. Tell Trump not to send them here. We don't want them. Poverty enough there. What we gonna do with them? That's why people not to stop run behind Andrew Holness. Miss says so. Stop vote. Stand up for no rights. I feel we country this. So make nobody come in there. Come run without it. You see me? Just like how Trump no want with them, we don't want them here.
Yeah.
It is fair, don't it?
True.
Alright. So people, I need to open up and stand up for no rights. And if you come on to war. Yeah. Right, that's all.
So you feel safe with knowing say convicted criminals might in there?
Convicted criminal is in there.
Yeah.
So would you want a child pedophile?
Pedophile.
You don't know man with bullet spitting.
Yeah.
Alright, no. We not have them in Jamaica, but imagine you have some of them we have 100 counts of murder.
Yeah.
You know, of child incest, child trafficking, you understand? We don't need them, we can't take no more in our country.
So you feel like say Trump take Jamaica for a dump yard then?
The only way Trump can take a fair jump on is if the government allow it.
Yeah. Okay. So you don't feel like Andrew should have come to the nation and make we know say yo Ray, how you feel about it?
Of course, remember now that Jamaica put him in there.
Yeah.
And if they never trust him that much, they wouldn't put him in there. So obviously you're supposed to come to the people them first. Out of respect, make them know what's going on.
Yeah.
You understand? Clear up the confusion. But we don't want them. Because enough country don't like we.
Yeah.
So if they go come and if you abide by our rule,
Yeah.
no sir, bro.
Yeah, that is.
We can't take no more.
Yeah.
Enough people right now don't live nowhere.
Yeah.
You understand? Enough people don't have no food for them. You understand? So Andrew honestly if you clear up them shit there first before him take people, yeah.
So what if them a give a couple million US dollar in exchange for accept them? What do you think?
You're not gonna get no money out of it. So the government gonna get you all that money. Look how much crane of food come here. Look how much things come back for build back with us. We get them?
Sure.
No, we didn't.
Yeah.
So that Jamaican eyes need to open. That time is stand up now.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Feel like Jamaica should have ever accept no immigrant when I come from Jamaica.
No man, that not fair. That not supposed to happen none at all. If they were Jamaicans then we would have to accept them, but
Yeah.
that is unacceptable.
What your biggest concern though about them the type of immigrant that we are come here?
Their way of life, who is gonna respond to them? How they gonna get fed? What is the arrangement between the Jamaican government and the American government for them to come here?
So you would have say America take Jamaica for a dumping yard then for the unwanted people them.
From long time, that's the duty of the CIA and the American side. But then these people that is in government, we vote for them to represent us, and that in that case there is like a representation.
Yeah.
It should have bring to the parliament and the Jamaican people them aware of it.
Yeah.
And if it come down to a referendum, then let it be.
Yeah.
So the government backs blindside us to the
Yeah.
whole situation.
So who you feel like benefit the most though from something like this?
It have to be the state minister Camilla Johnson Smith and the prime minister,
Yeah.
because all foreign affairs office have insight on these matters 6 months prior to what happened.
Yeah.
So it them blindside the people.
What if them give Jamaica some aid in? Cause you know what you think, you know them always get. What you think?
Jamaica is a third world country which depending on aid and grants from across the world. But not because aid and grant from across the world.
Yeah.
There are principles towards it. You understand me?
Yeah, that is true. So you say the government should have come to the people them and make we know what go on before them agree something like that.
Yes, man. This story came out from inside through the gleaner. You understand me?
Yeah.
It should have bring to the parliament and then the public would be aware of it.
Yeah.
And then now the public would have the say because the opposition won't sign off on the bill.
Yeah.
And if it should be a referendum, as I said, then let it be.
Yeah. Why? So you feel like the state of economy, you feel like you can't manage the additional set of people.
It can't manage because the government was stating that job is up on the rise and then that plummeted. You understand me? There's a lot of people in the country who is still unemployed.
Yeah.
They are talking about skilled people. And what about the hard trust NTA? What about the people who went through that system?
Yeah.
So people are here more than qualified.
Okay.
So them they are dopey story they are telling us.
Okay.
Dopey story.
So what you say to the Jamaican government in regards to this?
They have too much problem.
Yeah.
Too much problem.
Yeah.
The hurricane come, people still asleep on the tarpaulin.
Yeah.
They have billions of dollars, which from previous hurricane
Yeah.
to the last hurricane,
Yeah.
the situation is that the government and Joan is from the FSC, you know,
Yeah.
and him are the same person who turned to bring the FSC to court.
To court. Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Then the GLP want to force Dennis Strong for the position,
Yeah.
and that is clearly unacceptable.
Unacceptable. Because to me feel like Dennis Strong investigate everybody else
No.
except the two Andrews them.
Right. And then the same situation come under the Porsche-led administration. It was a scandal with Andrew Wheatley,
Yeah.
who was part of the Porsche-led Simpson administration.
Yeah.
And whether by free will or forcible, he resigned from the post, step aside from politics. Now the Andrew Wheatley situation came. They should have known that he's been under investigated. So in the first place, he should not run. Plus, he can get big posts in
Yeah.
parliament.
Yeah.
And then the prime minister pat him on his shoulder
Yeah.
as if nothing is wrong.
Right.
So there's too much problem and scandal based on this administration heading
Yeah.
into 8 years.
Yeah.
Too much. Too much.
So you feel like people are gonna think about all of them things that come election time again?
Well, the Jamaican people have promised and then get the promise, but yet still the promise is not working out for the
Yeah.
Jamaican people.
That's true.
Yeah, that's how it.
Yeah.
So everybody I feel it. It's back to school now. The people are suffering. Stuff where you would normally buy in the supermarket. You buy a pack of crackers, you're getting less crackers for dearer price.
Yeah.
The size of the condensed milk you used to get for the price, they can reduce, yet still you're paying a higher price.
Yeah. So
So
basically, you would have said that we are going through a bad governance then.
yeah, man. Everybody make mistake, but some mistake is not able to correct because
Yeah.
it don't have nothing to do with PNP or GLP.
Yes, I'm glad you said that.
Because it don't have nothing to do with it. Because what happened, the government that is in power blame Omar Davis based on their tenure. But then when you look on the whole system now, is that if you check through the history of Jamaica in terms of politics,
Yeah,
the GLP had the most prime minister through this country and the PNP only had three.
yeah.
So clear understanding, it seems like the GLP keep on making mistake
Mistakes.
that the PNP cannot correct it.
Yeah,
You understand me?
yeah, yeah,
It is coming from Buster to Hugh Shearer, Donald Sangster, Bruce Golding, all of them.
yeah, yeah,
So when we check Elleris, this country come through about seven prime minister on
yeah,
the GLP ticket.
yeah,
And the only thing, the PNP only have three prime minister under their tenure. They don't go think to it that PJ Patterson, who led the longest administration,
yeah,
and still couldn't correct it,
yeah.
the mistake of all those prime ministers
Okay.
that was before him.
Yeah,
No
yeah.
problem.
All
Problem.
right, all right. Ella, respect, yeah.
Manners.
Jamaica accept deportees that are not Jamaican.
In my opinion, I would definitely say no because Jamaica has its own problems, its own crisis. We're dealing with people who have lost their house in a hurricane and so forth, who don't have a house to live in. So I don't believe that we should be taking in people who are not non-Jamaicans. No, at this time, no.
So you would feel safe to know, say, oh, convicted criminals from other countries are being sent here?
Definitely not. Definitely not. Definitely not. We have our own crime problem, that we can't even control, at this time. So no, I would not agree with that.
So what if the dealer them give us some money in return, we take some deportee? What do you think?
It's not about the money, it's about the safety of our people and the safety of our country. We have a lot of young children and so forth. No. So it's all about safety. Our safety is first. It's not about the money. It shouldn't be about the money. It should be about the safety of the Jamaican people. That's my opinion.
So you know, feel like say the government should have bring it to the nation and ask and get the feedback from the nation before they agree to such a deal.
Yes, I don't know the terms and condition of the agreement, but yes, I think it should have been tabled where people, would get a opportunity and a chance to agree or disagree, before it was brought here. So yeah, that's my opinion.
So you feel like the government betray the Jamaican people, or you feel like it's good diplomacy?
Well, there's definitely diplomacy. Are we being betrayed? Hmm, that's a question. I cannot answer that one.
All right, thank you. Here,
You're welcome.
feel like Jamaica should accept deportees. We are not Jamaican.
Feel like. Okay, a question I feel like. Well, you can know, you accept anyone who want come in the country, come in the country.
So you're okay with America dumping people here who are not Jamaicans? Like for them own a country, no want them, so we send them to Jamaica then.
If Jamaica willing to accept them, then what?
So how you feel about convicted criminals being sent here to be a part of our society, knowing that we already are dealing with our own crimes?
Then if them know that, then them willing to accept that, then
Yeah.
yeah, that's it.
So you don't feel like them are deal with Jamaica like a dumping yard though.
Well, if Jamaica accept themselves as a dumping yard, then eat that. Yeah.
So you don't feel like say Jamaican government though should have come to a nation and ask you how you really feel about something like that.
Yeah, but them never normally come to we as a people. So why them would have come to we now?
Yeah, that's true.
Mm.
So you know, so normally them normally aid Jamaica. You know, Jamaica depend on a whole heap of foreign aid. So if them tired of deal to some money, you feel so that make it alright.
Come again with a question.
Alright. What if the deal is that them give Jamaica some money and we take the citizen them where them no want over there? You feel like that alright?
Then if it's alright to them, then I just how them see it, them I go deal with it,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not about we because we don't really have no talk because we them don't accept we
Yeah.
as we
Yeah.
and not even we accept we as
As
we.
we. Yeah.
So at the end of the day anything them say then
Yeah.
they don't say it go.
Yeah. That's true. That's true. Big up here.
Yeah man, love.